guys, I wanted to show you this clear backpack that I purchased. I don't know about you guys, but around here, a lot of times if you go to any type of stadium for a concert or a game, you do have to have a clear bag so they can see everything. I also just find it convenient for like knowing what I have and what I'm bringing with me. This one is a great size. It fits a ton in here. And I like that the shoulder straps are padded, so it feels a little bit more comfortable. There's a handle here. So again, I wanted to show you everything that you could fit in here. I wouldn't hesitate to pack for my family in here, or like my youngest, or if like you need a change of clothes, something like that. That can all fit in here very easily and convenient. So this is my laptop. It's pretty big and it fits in here no problem, with a ton more room. So again, you have plenty of space in here to pack what you need. There's also additional compartments up front, so you could put in like smaller accessories and have it like right there, easy to access. And then water bottle compartments on both sides. So again, like really nicely made. The zipper feels good. It doesn't feel like it's going to break, and I wouldn't hesitate to give this to my daughter to pack stuff for like a field trip or something, or when you're going to a concert or like a sporting event. I would absolutely have this. Again, I think you could fit a ton in here and not worry about it like overflowing or having to shove stuff in here. Really nice bag.